Hey guys, today we'll be destroying some sort of a washing machine, I guess. It's a Tony washing machine. So this is a Tony washing machine. It customer put it in, so kept black screening. The board kept black screening. There's nothing else. They tried replacing the cable on it. So it wasn't fixable. And let's go. Three, two, one. Alright. Well, that was the first time destroy, first ever. Tiny washing machine. Yeah, Tony's washing machine. Okay, so it's your second attempt. They tried phoning Tony's. They didn't do anything, so because last week I destroyed a Cadbury's Dairy Milk washing machine. Hopefully it works. Yeah. It's rubbish. He's like said, why is he breaking the washing machine? Why is he destroying what? Why is he breaking this washing? Oh, it's on video, forgot. Okay. It's broken. Alright, second attempt on it. It's getting good, this. Okay. Oh, it's usually a washing machine that's still scrapped. Oh. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah. Try different stuff. So I got cough. So yeah, a complete good smash. Look at it, it's all smashed. Bit there, bits there. Top panel, top control board. Let's try this one more time. 10-5. Switch off so it doesn't. That's it. Perfect timing. Alright, let's try this Chinese. Alright, let's try. Oh! So guys, so this washing machine this washing machine, look at it. Look at the state of it. Tony's washing machine has been bricked like all over the place. All over here. It started with there and then it shattered. Guys, look at it. It's all like totaled now. So we have lots of stuff. There's a top panel right in the corner where the detergent drawer goes. The detergent drawer still in the box. The third part is actually the Grundig, because this Grundig is now does not look like a Grundig anymore. It has a little bit of white on it, but we have a white Grundig. We've got to pick every picture. We have another washing machine. Bit top panel. Front panel. Control board. Ballast. Concrete weight. Another. And the half washing. The metal bar, and last but not least, the control board. That is more damaged now since it looks like when it is one whole washing machine. It's now pieces now. That's good. That's all we have today. So we have today, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, because our goal is 50,000 subscriber. No, 50, just 50, 55. I think do a special one. Got fudge. And you got two more washing. I'm filming. Oh, there you go. So you got two fudge. and a Cadbury fudge. The Rose's Country fudge washing machine. There's 2 more left. £700 fudge, £100 fudge. Guys, thanks for watching. £50 this is. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what did you do, how much you enjoyed your video, and see you later. Bye.